Getting started with Power Virtual Agents bots is an exciting and effective way to enhance customer engagement and streamline support in your enterprise. As a senior cloud architect, I've been deeply involved in leveraging these technologies, and I'm thrilled to share insights into the nuts and bolts of setting up and maximizing the potential of Power Virtual Agents bots right in the cloud. Imagine this: a seamless way to interact with your customers that feels like they're talking to a real person, all the while ensuring they receive prompt, accurate information. That's the magic Power Virtual Agents can bring to the table. It's not just about answering basic questions, but actually understanding and processing human language to provide solutions that seem almost human-like. Power Virtual Agents are a lifesaver, transforming those often frustrating experiences customers might have when dealing with traditional customer service. As these chatbots become more sophisticated within your enterprise, they could handle everything from greeting and acknowledgement to providing technical assistance and troubleshooting, all while maintaining conversations with the grace of human interaction. There's a symbiosis that occurs when Power Virtual Agents, backed by the massive data repository of Microsoft Cognitive Services, work alongside human agents. These bots can take on the burden of routine tasks, ensuring your human agents are focused on areas requiring emotional intelligence and complex decision-making. Together, human and AI work in harmony, elevating the customer experience and efficiency within your enterprise. However, setting up and optimizing Power Virtual Agents bots is no trivial matter. As someone who has grappled with the specifics of strategic implementation, let me break down a few key areas for you. Weight and measure the strategic business value by starting simple. Test your chatbots with basic use cases and then integrate more complex scenarios. Always think customer journey first. Ensure Power Virtual Agents are providing support that aligns with your end-to-end user experience. To successfully incorporate these bots, a strong infrastructure plan is essential. This includes assessing your current IT capabilities, planning for the integration points within your support systems, and setting up proper training for your customer support staff. It's about building an environment where your Power Virtual Agents can thrive without stealing the personal touch and empathy that a human agent brings. Beyond just customer support, these intelligent bots play an essential role in your own customer engagement strategies. It's smart to deploy Power Virtual Agents in areas of your brand that can continuously learn and adapt, such as on Twitter for instant responses or on a dedicated brand page on social media for broader engagement. As a senior cloud architect, I emphasize adaptability and foresight. Power Virtual Agents are not set in stone, so let us plan iterative implementations that grow with the needs of both the business and the customer. Keep an eye on constantly evolving chatbot technologies. Always be on your toes, ready to pivot and refine the Power Virtual Agents bots when needed based on real-time customer interactions and feedback. These bots are not just about today's needs, they are designed to grow with your business. Now, I know all this talk about Power Virtual Agents sounds a bit overwhelming without someone there to guide me step by step. This is exactly why I've compiled a resource, a comprehensive guide with real-world scenarios, best practices, and troubleshooting tips. I've detailed everything from initial setup to advanced configurations and maintenance. It's packed with insights that come from not just understanding these powerful tools, but also from applying common sense and strategic thinking in how they're utilized. In conclusion, integrating Power Virtual Agents bots into your enterprise can seem daunting, but it's worth every effort for the strategic advantages they provide in customer and operational efficiency. It's a step forward in staying modern, competitive, and customer-centric. The journey with Power Virtual Agents is ongoing, one where the only limits are the extent of the imagination and ambition. For more tips, strategies, and insights on utilizing Power Virtual Agents bots and all things cloud, I invite you to visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Let's empower your enterprise with digital smarts, because at TechLab, we believe in transforming how enterprises operate and interact with their customers through the power of sophisticated cloud technologies like Power Virtual Agents.